Ava, why do most people quit English learning after a few weeks?
Because they rely on motivation, not habits. Motivation fades, but habits last.
Today, we're teaching how to build English habits that stick permanently.
This is about behavior change, not just language learning.
Let's start with why habits matter more than motivation.
Motivation gets you started. I want to be fluent, makes you excited initially.
But motivation is emotional and temporary. When you feel tired or busy, motivation disappears.
Habits are automatic behaviors that don't require motivation or willpower.
You brush your teeth without needing motivation. It's just automatic.
We can make English practice just as automatic.
The science of habit formation has 3 components: cue, routine, reward.
Cue triggers the behavior. Routine is the behavior itself. Reward makes you want to repeat it.
Example, cue equals finishing breakfast. Routine equals 5 minutes English reading. Reward equals feeling accomplished.
Let's build specific English habits using this framework.
Habit 1, morning English input habit.
Cue. Alarm goes off. Routine. Listen to 5 minutes of English podcast or audio. Reward. Feel energized for the day.
Link it to existing routine. Already making coffee? Listen to English while coffee brews.
This is called habit stacking, attaching new habit to existing habit.
Habit 2, commute learning habit.
Cue. Getting in car or on bus. Routine. Listen to English audiobook or podcast. Reward. Productive commute instead of wasted time.
Even 15-minute commute gives you 30 minutes daily of listening practice.
Habit 3, evening output habit.
Cue, finishing dinner. Routine, write 3 sentences in English about your day. Reward, tracking your thoughts and progress.
Keep a journal by your bed so it's ready. Remove friction from the habit.
Habit 4, before bed vocabulary habit.
Cue, getting into bed. Routine, review 5 new words or phrases. Reward, feeling prepared for tomorrow.
Your brain consolidates memory during sleep, so bedtime review is powerful.
Now, let's discuss the 21-90 rule of habit formation.
It takes about 21 days for a behavior to feel automatic and 90 days for it to become a permanent habit.
The first 21 days are crucial. You must be consistent.
Miss 1 day? Okay. Miss 2 days? Problematic. Miss 3 days? The habit breaks.
Use visual tracking. Mark an X on a calendar every day you complete your English habit.
The chain of X's becomes motivating. You don't want to break the chain.
This is called the don't break the chain method.
Let's address habit failures and how to recover.
I missed 3 days. Should I just quit?
No, just start again today. One setback doesn't erase all previous progress.
I feel boring now.
Change the content, not the habit. Same routine, reading 10 minutes, but different books or articles.
I'm too busy for my English habit.
Make it smaller. Can't do 30 minutes? Do 5 minutes. 5 minutes daily beats 0 minutes.
I keep forgetting to practice.
Set phone reminders, multiple reminders throughout the day until the habit becomes automatic. Let's share how habits changed our English journey.
I built a morning podcast habit. Now I automatically listen while getting ready. Don't even think about it.
I built an evening writing habit. Every night before bed, I write 5 sentences. It's as automatic as brushing teeth now.
These habits gave us over 200 hours of practice in a year without feeling like study.
That's the power of habits, massive results from small, consistent actions.
Now, let's create a habit starter kit for beginners.
Choose one habit to start. Don't try to build 5 habits simultaneously.
Make it ridiculously easy. I'll read 1 paragraph in English daily.
So easy you can't say no. After it's automatic, increase it.
Link it to existing routine. After I brush teeth, I'll read 1 paragraph.
Track it visually. Calendar, app, or habit tracker, make your progress visible.
Celebrate small wins. Did your habit 7 days straight? Treat yourself.
Positive reinforcement makes habits stick faster.
After 30 days, add a second habit. Now you're doing 2 English habits automatically.
After 90 days of first habit and 30 days of second habit, add a third.
Within 6 months, you have multiple English habits running on autopilot.
This compounds into fluency without feeling like hard work.
Let's give troubleshooting for habit building.
Problem: I have willpower in the morning, but not at night.
Schedule your English habit for when you have the most willpower. Everyone's different.
Problem. My environment doesn't support my habit.
Change your environment. Put English books where you'll see them. Set up your space for success.
Problem. I keep feeling guilty when I miss a day.
Guilt is counterproductive. Just notice, restart, and move forward. No self-punishment.
Final wisdom about English habits.
The goal isn't perfection. The goal is making English a natural part of your daily life.
When English practice becomes automatic, you stop asking, should I practice today? You just do it.
This is when real transformation happens, not from intense study sessions, but from daily automatic practice.
All right, everyone, choose one English habit to build starting tomorrow.
Make it specific. After I drink my morning coffee, I will read English news for 5 minutes.
Track it for 30 days straight. Comment your habit below.
See you in the next video.
Build habits, build fluency.